The team decided to come back after lunch and quickly wrap up the manhole work by making a new ladder. Firstly, the team's supervisor and then the welder entered into the manhole and checked inside for potential gas smell or leakage. Once they felt confident that there were no immediate hazards, they started the job by evaluating the location of the new ladder. Later, the third worker turned on the electric generator and gave the rectifier and the welding pliers to the welder in the manhole. The welder sat on the gas pipeline and determined the location of the ladder to strike the first weld joint, but as soon as the electrode contacted the joint, the entire place got exploded. The supervisor quickly covered his face and sat on the manhole floor. The severity of the explosion was so high that ruptured the road surface within 2.5 meters radius. The third worker standing above the manhole was strongly thrown towards the sidewalk, so fortunately was not run over by passing cars. A fracture in one of his backbones and displacement of two others were the unfortunate consequences of this accident for him. After a few seconds, the supervisor thought it all ended well as he had only got slight burn on his face and hands. However, he was not able to find the welder in the manhole, so he came out and only saw the third worker on the sidewalk. Who did not know about the welder. The welder was thrown out more than 20 meters away onto the middle of the highway and unfortunately lost his life.